Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer science from scratch. Start by choosing a beginner-friendly programming language like Python. Focus on core concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Practice regularly with small coding exercises to solidify your understanding. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building more complex skills later on. Next, delve into essential computer science principles. Understand how operating systems function and manage hardware. Learn about computer networks, including how data travels across the internet. Explore database management systems and the importance of data organization. These areas provide a broad understanding of how computing systems work together. Applying your knowledge through practical projects is vital. Start by building simple applications or tools using your chosen programming language. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain experience with collaborative development. Working on diverse projects helps reinforce theoretical concepts and builds a strong portfolio for future opportunities. Computer science is a field of continuous learning and evolution. Stay curious and explore emerging technologies like artificial intelligence or cloud computing. Consider specializing in an area that genuinely interests you, such as web development or data science. Engaging with the broader CS community offers valuable networking and mentorship opportunities for ongoing growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.